Our client, the global manufacturing company Fellows, wanted to generate more website leads for its air purifier products in the UK, France and Germany. Our team of international experts decided the best way to achieve the client's goal was to run a lead generation focused PPC campaign on Google Ads, which would include search, display and remarketing. We took care of things from start to finish, doing the initial keyword research in each language and writing and designing the ads in English, French and German, to setting up and launching the campaigns. Once live, our paid media team constantly monitored performance, ran tests, and optimized the campaigns to ensure the budget was being spent effectively and the sales team were receiving a high volume of quality leads. The client was thrilled with the results, and so were we.